Hello, welcome to Astro. There are various methods and techniques which we generally use to predict timing of event in a horoscope. What we generally use is Vimshottari Dasa. Apart from the Vimshottari Dasa, other dasas like Char Dasa and Yogni Dasa are also widely used. But when it comes to using Bhrigu Jyotish, techniques are very simple and very effective. We can predict very minutely using Bhrigu astrology. One of the method is Bhrigu chakra paddhati, which can be used for timing of event. Raghu Chakra Paddhati is a method which is used to time event in Bhrigu Jyotish, and this method is very effective. We can minutely predict what will happen in a particular year for a particular horoscope. Let's see how to proceed it. This is how you can proceed. See, in the whole horoscope, start from the Lagna. Lagna will be activated in the first year, then second house in the second year, third house in the third year, so and on so forth. After 12 year, again 13th year, Lagna again will get activated. So the next Bhrigu cycle will start again at the age of 13 year, and this is how we count. So each house represent 1 year starting from the Lagna. See, this female native got married in November 2013. She was born in February 1987. So the running year will be 27th year. 26th Feb 2013 to 25 Feb 2014. 27th year, so 24th year will be the 12th house, then 25th year will be the Lagna, 26th year will be the second house, 27th year will be the third house. Now, to predict event, you have to be very careful. Always try to link house, sign and planet. See, third house has the sign of Leo. Third house is normally communication, siblings. Third house is traveling, short travel, hobbies, etc. Now this has the sign of Leo. Leo sign is something spirituality, something regarding power of seat of power. Fifth house is generally education, schooling, etc. See, the third house lord goes in the ninth house with the Lagna lord Mercury and fourth lord. So something very prominent will happen. Why? Because Lagna lord is involved. Also, apart from that, whenever third lord gets associated with fourth house fourth lord, there will be change of residence also. Here, third lord sun sitting in the ninth house of religious ceremony, sitting with the Mercury, fourth lord as well as the Lagna lord. Since ninth house also shows travel, so it is again indicating that some travel may happen and residence will change, which generally happen in case of female native marriage. Why? Because after marriage she changes her residence. Now ninth house lord Saturn is sitting in the sixth house and also aspecting this third house. Saturn will aspect this by its 10th aspect. So again ninth lord again aspecting this house lord again sitting in the ninth house, so something related to ninth house must happen. Now this Saturn is aspected by the Jupiter and Rahu combination. Jupiter is the seventh lord, so here we are getting house lord and Karaka connected. How Karaka is connected? Venus is sitting in the house of Saturn, so it is Saturn is the dispositor of Venus also. Now seventh lord Jupiter also aspecting this Saturn, and the BCP house lord Sun sitting in the house of Saturn also. So this is clear that this year native is going to get married. Also see the minute details. See here, if you see third house has the Leo sign, which is the pregnancy sign or something related to the children. Lord goes in the ninth house of children again. Stri Jataka ninth house is also progeny. And this Saturn is aspected by the Jupiter, which is the Karak of the children. So sometimes when we time marriage in case of female in in Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati, we generally see that sometimes pregnancy or children birth is denoted, which can be used to time marriage. Why? Because after marriage, childbirth may happen as soon as she got married. So here, if you can see, Venus is the fifth lord, which is also sitting in the house of Saturn. So Saturn is also connected with the fifth house also, and this house again aspected by this Saturn, and the Saturn is connected by the Jupiter, which is the Karak of children. So we can say that as soon as you will get married, you will have pregnancy or you will have child. This is how we can time event. Let's see second. This female native got first job in December 2014. She was running 26th year. So the BCP house in the 26th year will be the second house. See, the second house has sign of Virgo, which is the natural sixth house of service, job, etc. Second house is money. So Virgo sign is there. So it is showing that money from service or job. Also see the second lord Mercury goes in the sixth house again. And there the sign is Capricorn is already there, which is the natural 10th house. So always see the connections. Here again the sixth house of service. Here again the profession is again the Lord, sixth Lord Saturn sitting in the fifth house of new opportunity and aspecting this the second house, BCP house. And Mercury is the dispositor also. Saturn is the dispositor of Mercury also. This Jupiter also aspecting this Mercury from the 10th house. So this Mercury is getting connected to 10th house from various ways. Saturn is the Karak of service. Jupiter from the 10th house, it is aspecting Mercury also. And second house also has the sign of Virgo. So that's how native got job in December 2014 at the age of 26th year. This is the third chart. Male native got transferred to the Dubai. So some traveling to the foreign country is having happening. 12th April 2002. Running year is 41. So BCP house will be the fifth house. See the fifth house as the sign of Aries, means something new will start. Fifth house is also new opportunity. So some new opportunity will come. Now fifth house has this Jupiter. Fifth house has Jupiter. Jupiter is the Lagna Lord as well as the fourth house Lord. So some prominent thing will happen. Why? Lagna Lord is involved. This house is aspected by the Saturn from the third house. So as I said, third house Lord Saturn and fourth house Lord Jupiter connecting to each other. So some residence may change or traveling may happen. This Jupiter is aspected as well as this house, BCP house, was also aspected by the Mars, which is the sitting in the 10th house. Mars is the 12th lord of foreign. So here the connection is coming. Maybe person may visit foreign due to the profession issue. Why? Because this is the 10th house of profession, which has the sign of Virgo. So maybe some changes in the profession will be there. So native can travel to the foreign country. That's how you can connect. Always remember the sign and the house, how they are connecting to each other. Only then you can predict using Bhrigu Jyotish or BCP, Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati. See here, third house Lord Saturn itself. Saturn is aspecting fourth house lord. Fourth house lord sitting in the BCP activated house. Mars, 12th lord, as well as the fifth lord of new opportunity, aspecting this Jupiter. That's how native got transferred to the Dubai. This female native got first childbirth happened in the 25th year. BCP house will be the first house. See, the first house has the Venus and sign is Sagittarius, which is the natural ninth house sign, which shows child or progeny. Also, the Jupiter Lagna Lord Jupiter is sitting in the fourth house with the fifth Lord Mars. Jupiter is also Karaka of children, so it is very clearly connecting to the fifth house. So Jupiter is the Lord of also first house. Jupiter is the Karaka of religious ceremony, also sitting in the fourth house of family. So something family may happen, some religious event may happen also regarding children. Why fifth Lord is involved? Jupiter is the Karaka of expansion, so some family expansion may also takes place during this year. Now see, Mars is generally malefic. Rahu is also there. Venus sitting in the BCP activated house is the sixth lord. So maybe some expenses may involve or some operation may involve. Maybe childbirth will take place by the operation. Why? Mars also the 12th lord and the fifth lord. So it is naturally connected to the 12th house. Jupiter sitting in the fourth house, also in the sign of Pisces, which is natural 12th house. So some medical expenses also happen, or person may visit hospital, which is the sign. Mars is the 12th lord, so hospital, and also here the sign is Pisces. This person lost job in the 25th year. BCP house will be the first house. See, the first house has the sign of Capricorn, natural sign of profession. Also, the Karaka Saturn is sitting here with the moon. Moon is the seventh lord. Seventh lord is also seventh house. Seventh lord also denotes profession. Why? Because it is Bhavat Bhavan, 10th from the 10th. Now this Saturn and moon, this Saturn and moon is also aspected by the 10th lord Venus, which is already sitting with the Jupiter, which is the 12th lord and third lord of change of job, and sitting with the Mars. Mars is the 11th lord of gain and fourth lord. So this is how we can predict that some change of job or loss of job may happen. See, Saturn is also retrograde and aspected by two malefics. So job change or loss of job may happen. Always use the keyword to define an event, which is here is Lagna is also denotes profession. Remember, this is from the Satyajatakam, and Lagna also has the sign of Capricorn. So here clearly indicating change of profession. Saturn is Karaka of change also. Whenever Saturn Moon sits together or Moon sits in the sign of Saturn, there will be changes of job very frequently, or instability of the job will be there. Remember this thing. Let's see. This native got separated from the spouse in the 51 year. BCP house will be the third house. See, third house has the Jupiter retrograde and sign of Leo. Jupiter is the seventh lord sitting in the BCP house also, and third lord also goes in the seventh house. So there is an exchange between third house and seventh house lord, which is very prominent. So some changes can happen regarding marriage. Now this, so see this Sun is in exchange with the Jupiter also, and this BCP house is also aspected by the Saturn from the sixth house. Saturn is sitting with the Mars and Rahu, so he will have effect of Mars and Rahu also. And from the 10th aspect, it is aspect in this VCP house. This house is the sixth house, which is the 12th from the seventh. So this house denotes separation from the spouse. That's how, because of this malefic conjunction in the sixth house and aspecting this house, which has the seventh Lord Jupiter, clearly indicating separation from the spouse or something very prominent related to the marriage. See the Saturn here also dispositor of the Venus. Venus and sitting in the eighth house also. So that's how we can predict using BCP, Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati. Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati is very vast. It has many more layers. I will make more videos to tell how to confirm event and how to predict more events in the same year using BSPs also. When we combine BSPs are different. Bhrigu Saral Paddhati is different from the Bhrigu Chakra method. BSPs are very instant predictive techniques which can be integrated with the Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati method to have many more predictions and also assurity the certainty of the predictions. We can also use divisional chart and BCP. How? I will show in the next video. Until then, thank you so much. Please like or comment so that it can motivate me to provide you latest updates. Thank you so much.